If a non-US company with no office in the US wishes to apply for concurrent H-1B, then what is the procedure? Does it require an agent? Can you help with such H-1B filing?
Yeah, we can definitely help, but I think the way is you have to register, the company need to register in the United States and then just as regular cases and file a concurrent H-1B. Regarding the office, I think recently immigration has been a little bit more flexible regarding if you have an actual office. We've have clients, the office is their basement and still get case approved, or, it's a work from home location or a shared office. So far I've seen them, the office thing can be solved, but I think they have to have the company needs to be in the United States. You have to register a company in the United States.
Last question from Sid says, how will the new proposed H-1B wage level impact existing H-1B workers? Will employers lay off if they don't want to increase wage level for level 1 employees?
I think if you're already on H-1B, whatever currently is, you continue under the current wage and the level under your LCA until you renew it. I think once you renew it, if they really increase it dramatically, and it will be a huge increase even to meet with level 1, you might have to discuss with the employer how they want to do, maybe convert to a part-time or any other ways. But I don't think it will trigger it until you renew or you do a change of employer, until you do something to trigger. Mm-hmm.